everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have taken up the lesson A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot from class 10th supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. So let's begin up the lesson. Let's read something about the author first. So we have Mr. James Alfred White as our author, and he is known by the pen name James Herriot, and he was a British veterinary surgeon and writer. There have been multiple television and film adaptations of his books, including the 1975 film All Creatures Great and Small. His works were mainly a collection of connected short stories that painted a picture of everyday life in England while using animals and veterinary care as a focal point. Now let me introduce you to the lesson first. So the story moves around Tricky, and Tricky is a fat dog. He is over pampered by his mistress Mrs. Pumphrey, and because of being overfed he soon gets unwell and is admitted to the surgery where the narrator looks after him and treats him well. Now here the word surgery refers to hospital. But how the dog gets well is a big mystery which the narrator unfolds in the story. The story is set in Britain where the author worked. So this is an original picture of the hospital. Now let's see the main characters. So we have Tricky, a fat dog, as our central character in the story, and Tricky is owned by Mrs. Pumphrey, who is passionate and anxious about him. So there we have Mrs. Pumphrey. She is a rich lady who pampers her dog as her own child. She is foolishly indulgent as she offers sweets, wine, cake, eggs, chocolates and juices to Tricky even at the cost of his health. She is ignorant of the fact that even dogs require exercise to stay fit. She gets anxious about his health when he gets unwell. She is deeply worried about the health of her pet and calls the vet several times a day to inquire about his health when he gets admitted to the hospital for treatment. She is passionate and emotional about her dog as if the dog is her own child. She is a simple and tender-hearted person. When Tricky recovers, she is grateful to the vet and calls it a triumph of surgery. So next character that we have is the narrator, Mr. James Herriot. So Mr. Herriot is a competent veterinary surgeon. He has great expertise in his subject and is a thorough professional. On seeing Tricky, he gets worried about his health and asks Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down the sweets and increase exercise. This shows his devotion towards his profession. He is certain of the fact that Tricky's mistress has spoiled him. Therefore, to treat him, he separates him from his mistress and admits him to the hospital. Without any medication, he is able to cure Tricky by making certain changes in his diet and environment. He follows a practical approach with common sense. So this proves him to be a skilled and an earnest doctor. Now let's discuss the summary. I have written the summary in points. The story begins with Mrs. Pumphrey taking a walk outside with her dog Tricky. The narrator, a veterinary doctor by profession, chances to see the dog and gets worried after looking at his fat and bloated appearance. Now here the word bloated means fat. He advises the lady to cut down all the unhealthy things that he eats and increase exercise. But the lady simply can't refuse her dog the thing that he wants. So she feeds him with cod liver oil, cakes, chocolates, malt and a bowl of Horlicks. So very soon he falls sick and the narrator, Mr. Herriot, is called upon. The narrator knows that the lady over pampers the dog and so she won't be able to put him on a strict diet. So therefore he insists on hospitalizing Tricky in order to cure him. Mrs. Pumphrey initially resists in admitting Tricky to the hospital and nearly faints on hearing this. Soon afterwards, the narrator takes Tricky to the hospital and makes a bed for him in a warm box. For the first 2 days, the narrator puts Tricky purely on water. He doesn't involve him in much activity. On the second day, he starts observing the things around him and whimpers. On the third day, he wants to go out with the other dogs and play. He is also fed with the other dogs and licks their bowls. His condition begins to improve then onwards. He competes with the other dogs while eating. The narrator does not give any kind of medication to him. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey continues to inquire about his health from the narrator, calling him frequently. She starts sending eggs, wine and brandy for Tricky, which the narrator and his partner enjoy. Days pass and Tricky turns into a muscular dog. The narrator is tempted to keep Tricky at his place because of the supply of eatables. But then he thinks of Mrs. Pumphrey, who loves Tricky as her own child, and he asks her to pick him up. Now, within minutes, Mrs. Pumphrey arrives and has tears in her eyes to see Tricky perfectly healthy and in a good shape. She shows her gratitude to the doctor, saying, "This is a triumph of surgery." Now let's analyze the story. So the story is a satire on the rich who overindulge and misuse their money. The next one we have is one should not use resources in an uncontrolled manner. The next one we have is not to spoil anyone by giving too much, because excess of everything is bad. It is against the principles of nature. The last one that we have is animals should be put in a natural environment. Now let's discuss some textual questions. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? So because he feels unwell, he refuses to eat anything. Had bouts of vomiting, she thinks that he is suffering from malnutrition. Next question is, what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? So instead of underfeeding the dog, she overfeeds him with cakes, chocolates, malt, cod liver oil and Horlicks apart from his regular meals. And she does not give him any kind of exercise, and therefore Tricky becomes fat and listless and his health condition deteriorates further. Now, who refers to I in the story? So, in the narrator, then I refers to the narrator in the story, Mr. James Harriot, and he is a veterinary doctor. The next question that we have is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? So, the answer is certainly no. Why? Because the narrator feels tempted to keep Tricky permanently because he is getting a continuous, luxurious food supply, which includes eggs, brandy and wine. How does he treat the dog? So he cuts down his food intake, he keeps him purely on water for 2 days, and he keeps him under his observation and increases physical exercise. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Because of the luxurious supply of wine, eggs and brandy. The next one is, why does Mrs. Pumphrey think that the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? So why does Mrs. Pumphrey think so? She thought that his condition was critical and it needed medical attention because she loved him as her own child, and she thought that Mr. Harriot's medical treatment had revived him. Now, I hope you all liked the video. If yes, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see a video on any topic, then you can mention it in the comment box. Thank you everyone. Take care.